Hey, buddies, this is Jobel. First episode of Jott-Aid Gaming. Let's go. I'm here with our good buddy, Aiden Lewinsky.
Fuck yeah. We're playing Shellshockers.
With the most horrific ping imaginable. Like, I cannot get, like, an inch without being teleported back 5 feet.
This might not be our fault.
This is not our fault at all. But this is peak gameplay. Dude, I cannot move.
Oh my god, I can't even go up this freaking ladder. Oh, I got up the ladder.
Oh.
Jesus. As you can see, the ping is 43 ms. That's bad.
On mine, it's like 200.
Mine is like fluctuating between 40 and...
Oh. I got killed by Kojima feet scan.
Kojima scanned my feet, guys.
No! He should have scanned mine!
You jelly?
Yes, I'm extremely jelly. Dude, let me move, please!
You're not allowed to move.
Please! Oh.
Just like I'm not allowed to climb ladders.
Dude, I just got sent back to spawn! Let me move!
Oh my god. What I'm looking at.
No! This... Alright. I'm just gonna go with shotgun, dude.
Shot. Take a shot of crack.
Hell yeah.
See how good my fucking no-scope skills are in this game. It's really hard with this freaking ping. 160. Oh.
Dude.
What?
Mine's at 3,781.
How is that even possible?
It's at... No! This is not fair. I'm not allowed to move.
It was running like okay for like a couple seconds. Now it's oh, this sucks. Oh, it doesn't suck. It's the best game ever.
Nah, this is the best game ever. This is peak gameplay, if you didn't know.
You'll never want to play ever again. Because you have the...
Literally. CSGO, Team Fortress 2, all of them, mid compared to Shellshockers.
The entire FPS genre has peaked with this game right here.
This is the greatest game of all time, dudes.
It literally doesn't...
I cannot move! There we go. Finally, I got you. I got you. Okay.
Use the other sniper. Oh my god. I almost fell off the map.
I just realized this is the Italian plumber world.
It is.
Do not say his name. We'll get copyrighted by you know who. The big N.
It'll be copyrighted by them.
The big N. The big N, dude.
The big N. The hardest N.
The hardest N.
The hardest N.
The hardest N. Dude. Let me move, dude. Oh my god.
I apologize for my voice cracks, guys.
It's all good, kid. It's all good.
Cracked like 3 different times throughout this recording.
This would be so much fun if we had like 2 more people.
I must not have enough tea in my system.
Next time we gotta get Scott in on this. Skagoggle.
Next time I gotta inject anabolic steroids.
Some black tar heroin while you're at it.
Yeah. Wait, I get it now. I see the method.
What is it?
I can't tell you that. It's classified information. I can't reveal that.
This would be so much better if I could just move.
It'd be so much better if I knew what I was looking at instead of because my view is like turning every which way, like every 5 seconds.
I mean, I'm able to move, but every now and then it'll like reset where I am.
Pretty much. What the? I heard that.
Kojima!
Kojima-san.
Go meet Kojima-san! You have disgraced our family. I must take your head to bring honor, restore honor to our family.
Who put gameplay in my cutscenes?
No!
Who put gameplay in my movie?
Me want to have to do the random timed event in the middle of my movie, dude.
Me when I put a 2-hour cutscene in my video game, my supposed video game.
Scanned 50 feet for this game.
Yeah, we both scanned our feet. Kojima both scanned our feet for this game. It's true, guys. You can't see it, but
This is, dude. What is going on? What is going on? Please. Okay, there we go. Thank you.
this game really gives Death Stranding 2 a run for its money.
I mean, this is the greatest game of all time. You know?
Yeah, you can't beat it. Can't.
It's the greatest game of all time, guys. Trust. You can trust me.
You'll never want to play another game again after you play this.
In fact, leave your family.
Yeah.
Abandon your kids and your wife. This is all you need.
Who needs kids?
I was clicking. I was shooting. The game was not responding. I was shooting. I was clicking shoot. And the game would not respond.
Dude, I was hard skipping like so hard.
Dude, this game has me hard.
This game has me soft because of how unresponsive it is right now.
This is true. Oh. I have to at this point without.
It's more depressing than Silent Hill 2.
I cannot move. I'm not allowed to do anything, dude. How am I already out of ammo, dude? How am I already out of ammo? It didn't even let me shoot. It didn't let me shoot. I'm just gonna go back to the egg K-47.
I'm using the
Good old reliable.
shot. The sniper in this game. Crack shot was a good idea.
I got you. Finally. This game is.
Oh my ass.
Have you respawned yet?
Huh?
Have you respawned yet?
To what?
Have you respawned?
Yes.
Dude, this is so peak.
It is.
This lag is not making me kick. I don't know. I want to say anything that will get us canceled.
I think we're past that point already.
This is true. This is making me want to kick a fat kid in Kmart, dude.
Okay, Theo Vaughn.
Theo Vaughn said that?
Yeah.
He did?
Yeah.
Wild. I don't even know how to use these grenades. I have like 3 of them. I don't know how to use them.
I think we're already canceled from that Kojima impression bit.
This is true.
I don't know if we should leave that in or not.
Leave it in. We already got our last video already got age restricted, dude.
Our first video is already pretty bad.
Yes. With Skigoggle with on the whole Hitler rant. Let me get off this post. Thank you. Where are you?
I'm sorry we haven't delivered on the whole Smosh-like content. We are not that creative yet.
No, we're not. We're getting there. We're getting
I
there.
haven't sat down and thought about anything.
This is true. Next time we get together, we'll put our heads together and see who's bigger. Don't say anything. Just gonna leave it like that.
I do have some improv stuff we could do, but it depends on who's available.
This is true. Everyone just has to have a life, dude.
Yeah.
Scott lives like an hour away now.
Oh, does he live with his like grandpa?
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Ben.
Thanks a lot, Ben. Ben, you got me kicked out of my house. You got me kicked out of my house, Ben.
It's your fault, Ben. I don't know what you did, but
Ben, it's all your fault. Scott got kicked out of the house. All your fault. The Jott-Aid creator house.
the Jott-Aid house.
Jott-Aid house. John Jott-Aid, dude. John Jott-Aid. John Jott-Aid, dude. Ben made John Jott-Aid mad, and now Scott's out of the house. We have to like skin him for that.
One of those like douche-tuber houses we should do. Jott-Aid house.
I'm pretty sure it already is. Most of the videos are filmed at my house. Dude, I was lagging so hard it would not let me shoot.
Or we could do Caden's mansion for a fucking video.
Resident Evil house, dude.
Literally.
Resident Evil house.
I hear you.
Dude, it will not let me use my grenades. John Shellshockers, let me use my grenade.
You don't get to use your grenades.
Oh my gosh, we have a melee weapon. Never mind. Get over here.
Stop crying so damn loud.
Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. It was Q this whole time. Where are you? I'm so sorry. There, I got you. I got you with the melee weapon. Dude, I don't care if that brings us down potential sponsor, Screw Verbo.
I'm gonna have to edit so much sound.
Screw Verbo, dude. Screw Verbo.
Screw Verbo.
Screw Verbo. Where are you? I'm so sorry. This is so peak. This is how we peak.
And we're playing on super Italian man.
Super Italian, man.
Fat Italian man.
No, this game hates me so much. Like, I cannot put it into words just how much this game hates me. It will not let me do anything. I'm so glad it lags so much, the ads don't even load.
I love that. No free advertising for you.
No free advertising, dude. Let me play.
If anyone's willing to give us any sponsorship, Jott-Aid@gmail.com, guys. Trust.
John Jott-Aid. At Gmail. Jott-Aid24@gmail.com.
Back to be an expert at making commercials, so.
Yep. I have plenty of experience filming and being recorded.
Exactly.
I've made a commercial myself.
Sponsor us right now.
Sponsor us, please. We need the money for
We need money to bet all on red.
Bet it all on red, dude. Literally. We should start gambling. Jott-Aid gambling, dude.
We need to spend all our money on roulette. We're like the FaZe clan of Shellshockers.
Literally, except everyone's just mad the whole time because it's so laggy. My hands keep turning green for some reason.
Bro's rotting.
I'm the rotten egg, dude.
Why are you decomposing?
Dude, I got there last. I'm the rotten egg. Last one there, rotten egg, dude.
You blew yourself up. I'm not even gonna say that joke I was about to say.
Go ahead, say it, dude. Say it.
It's bad. We're gonna get thrown off the fucking website.
We're gonna have to we should start do what Tanner Brungart did and just have a hard drive of all the worst moments that never get uploaded. and like towards the end of the channel, upload it.
Oh my god. Yeah, what Marcus did. Let's do like Unis Honest, but like, and then like do what they did and just like remove all the videos entirely.
Oh no, connection lost.